Hi viewers, welcome to Easy Recipes. So now I am going to show how to prepare cabbage fry. What is the procedure and what are the ingredients we need to prepare cabbage fry? Let's have a look. What are the ingredients to prepare cabbage curry? Take a bowl of cabbage fine chopped pieces and coriander leaves, some tomato sliced pieces, curry leaves, talpo mix, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, green chilies, onions, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt to taste and oil. First light the stove, put a pan on it and then add some oil to it, 2 to 3 spoons, and after heating the oil, now add the talpo mix to it. And some onion pieces, and some green chilies, now mix it. Add some turmeric powder to it, and some ginger garlic paste, little amount of ginger garlic paste. Now fry this. Now add some curry leaves to it. And then now add the finely chopped cabbage. Mix it. Cook this cabbage, it will take 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to cover this pan with lid for 5 to 6 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I'm opening the lid. Mix it. And then now add tomatoes to it. Now add some salt to taste. Little bit of red chili. And some coriander powder. Now mix it. After mixing it very well, after mixing it, now it's take another 5 to 6 minutes process. So now I am covering this with lid. Now after 5 minutes, I am opening the lid. It is well cooked. Now mix it. Mix the portion. So finally, on top of it, I'm adding coriander leaves. Now the curry is ready to serve. Off the stove now. Take this curry into a serving bowl. So here we are with our hot and spicy cabbage curry. For more recipes, subscribe Easy Recipes channel.